So I have two roles, in fact. So first role is word master, where I'll be introducing the word of the day, and then my role will be as grammarian. So today I'm introducing a word which is serendipity. The word serendipity was invented on 28th January 1754. It is a noun, and the pronunciation has to be done in this way: serendipity. It's serendipity. So it is said to be one of the most difficult English word to translate. And how do we translate it? We say the occurrence and development of events by chance in a happy or in a beneficial way. So what would be that happy or beneficial way? For example, if I find a 50 reals in a pocket of a coat which I did not wear for last 1 year, so I will say this situation a serendipity. So there are some synonyms for this word: goodness, good luck, fluke, happenstance or blessing, and antonyms for this is bad luck or misfortune or mishap. And we can say that if we use this word in sentence, we can mention nature has created a wonderful serendipity. Or we can say that the lottery is something one wins by serendipity, not by design. Your chance of finding such a features are down to either extremely assiduous trolling or mere serendipity. It was only through pure serendipity that I met my best friend. My second role is grammarian, where I'll be ensuring to note the good usage of English or the bad usage of English. So which will help us to use this as a constructive feedback to improve our English in the future sessions. So I will be at the end of the session, I'll be coming with the report when the general evaluator will call me. So please make the use of word of the day, serendipity. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you, Toastmaster. Your counter for today.
Okay, so I'm here with the report. So any guesses how many times did we use the word of the day?
6 times, 15, 12.
It's a round figure 9. We
Yeah.
used 9 times, and here is the list of the people who used these words. It was used 2 times by 2 people. 2 times it was used by Toastmaster Pramit, and 2 times it was used by DTM Jinachandran. Some good usage I need to mention here as a grammarian. We are wired to see, not to see the hidden cost. Micromanage each calorie. You and I are creatures of habit. Know the true price and pay to win. Anxiety is the sensation. Overestimate the risk and underestimate the ability. Invest in strong fundamentals. Bulls and bears in stock market. These were some good usage, and some of the sentences were new to me. Some areas of improvement where we could use better use the sentence to make it little attractive, like running entire family. It could be supports entire family. Happens with me, happen to me. Today's session is going to be divided. So we could say today's session is divided. For 4 minutes, so we could say at 4 minutes, me and my friends and I. Medium size apartment, an average size apartment. My second accomplishments, we could use my second accomplishment. something changes. Some changes happening in our life. This was what it was used like. So we could use change in our life. Back and backside, so we could use flip side. All the audience, we could use all the audiences. So this was my report for today's Word Master and Grammarian. Over to you, General Evaluator.